Hello everyone, my name is Claudio Cortez and this video is about C1 esterase inhibitor or C1 inhibitor. C1 inhibitor is a plasma protease inhibitor that regulates the activation of the classical and lectin pathways. C1 inhibitor inhibits the classical pathway by binding to and inactivating C1R and C1S proteases in the C1 complex, and also inhibit the lectin pathway by binding and inactivating MASP P1 and 2 proteases in the MBL complex. In addition, C1 inhibitor inhibits the formation of bradykinin, a potent vasoactive peptide that causes edema. As has been shown in previous videos, when C1q binds to IgGs found on cell surfaces, the C1s will be able to cleave C4, leading to the deposition of C4b on the cell surface. C1s also cleaves C2, forming C2b and C2a. When C2b is close enough to bind to C4b bound to a cell surface, will generate the C3 convertase C4b C2b. C1 inhibitor is able to inhibit the classical pathway, inhibit the cleavage of C2 and C4. Although it's not shown in this video, C1 inhibitor does exactly the same in the lectin pathway. Basically, C1 inhibitor will recognize C1R and C1S, and it will remove them from the C1 complex. This C1q by itself can no longer activate the classical pathway. C1 inhibitor also is able to remove MASP protein from the MBL complex, which is not shown in this video. In addition, C1 inhibitor inhibits the formation of bradykinin, which is a potent vasoactive peptide. The activation of factor 12, factor that participates in the coagulation cascade, leads to the activation of kallikrein, which cleaves kininogen to produce the vasoactive peptide called bradykinin. Bradykinin participates in the formation of edema. C1 inhibitor inhibits the formation of bradykinin at two different levels, as you can see here in this diagram. In summary, C1 inhibitor not only inhibits the classical and the lectin pathways, but also inhibit the formation of bradykinin, which is a potent vasoactive peptide. When finished watching this video, please help us to determine if this video was helpful for you by using the thumb up or down. Thank you.